And here we have a 2016 Honda adventure bike. NC700X. 700cc motor, 6-speed transmission, in incredible shape. Here's why. It's a real friendly bike too. It says hello. And then it shows you it has under 1,100 miles on it. Bike is pristine, 6-speed transmission, 700cc motor, under 1,100 miles and priced right. It's an adventure bike, like a dual sport, for the street or off-road. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle and take your test ride today, because that's the first step in moving this gray beauty to your garage.